Hi, my name is Maria Besso, and I'm a realtor with RE/MAX Vernon in beautiful Vernon, British Columbia. I know that in these times of COVID-19, all of us are learning to cope differently. As a realtor, we are doing things more technologically these days. So we are doing virtual 3D tours so that people don't have to enter houses and put themselves at risk. We are using protective measures when our clients do come into houses. And one of the things that we are going to do now is live stream open houses. We're discouraging physical open houses, but we are using the technology available to us to present our listings. So I am inviting you to a live stream open house at this beautiful listing that I have at 693 Mount Thor Drive in Coldstream, British Columbia, overlooking Kalamalka Lake. This is an amazing 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 3-story home that has floor-to-ceiling views of Kalamalka Lake on all 3 levels. If you would like to see this house, please join me on Tuesday, April 28th from noon till 1 p.m. I'll be hosting this live stream open house, and I'll be here to answer your questions. You can talk to me directly. So please tune in on Tuesday, April 28th, noon till 1. See you there. Bye.